As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Performance Series. What are your initial thoughts?
Well, right off the bat, the Charbroil seems bigger. It's got a 375 square inch cooking area, while the Weber is only 189 square inches.
Yeah, that's a big difference. The Weber is definitely more compact, almost like a portable grill. Its product dimensions are 16.5, DX 27 inches, WX 14.5H, making it smaller than the Charbroil.
Exactly. The Weber would be great for tailgating, especially since it's lightweight at 27.5 pounds. The Charbroil is also described as portable, but the weight isn't listed, so it might be a bit heavier.
Good point. What about the burners and heat output?
The Charbroil has 3 burners putting out 9,000 BTU each for a total of 27,000 BTU. The Weber only has 1 burner at 8,500 BTU, so the Charbroil definitely packs more heat, which is great for searing.
Makes sense. The Weber mentions porcelain enameled cast iron grates, and the Charbroil also has porcelain coated cast iron grates. Seems like both are aiming for even heat and easy cleaning.
Yep, and both run on propane, but the Weber uses those smaller disposable cylinders, unless you get an adapter. The Charbroil uses a standard 20-pound tank.
Right, so the Charbroil is more convenient for home use, while the Weber is more about portability.
Exactly. One other thing, the Charbroil comes with a grill brush, which is a nice bonus. However, it is currently unavailable.
Ah, good catch. And the Weber has over 4,500 reviews with a 4.7 rating. The Charbroil only has 664 reviews with a 4.3 rating.
So if you need a powerful, larger grill for home use and are okay with waiting for the Charbroil to be back in stock, that's the way to go. But if you want something super portable and reliable for smaller cooks, the Weber is a solid choice.
Okay, that helps a lot. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.